Smokeless Chimney, Opacity is the Law. May 25th, 2023, the best flames on the net. The opacity of smoke is regulated by law in many countries. The opacity of smoke is a measure of how much light is blocked by the smoke. Smoke that is more opaque is more likely to contain smoke particles. The opacity of smoke is regulated to protect public health and the environment. Smoke from burning fuel can contain a variety of pollutants, including particulate matter. These pollutants can cause respiratory problems, heart disease, and cancer. They can also contribute to smog and acid rain. The opacity of smoke is typically measured using a device called an opacity monitor. Opacity monitors measure the amount of light that is blocked by the smoke. The opacity of smoke is then expressed as a percentage. The opacity of smoke is regulated differently in different countries in the United States. The Environmental Protection Agency sets the standards for opacity of smoke from industrial sources. These standards are designed to protect public health and the environment. In some countries, the opacity of smoke from wood stoves and other residential appliances is also regulated. These regulations are designed to protect the health of people who live in the area. If you are concerned about the opacity of smoke from a particular source, you can contact the local Pollution Control Authority. They will be able to tell you what the regulations are in your area and what you can do to reduce the opacity of smoke. The Washington State Department of Ecology regulates smoke from chimneys and other solid fuel burning devices. The regulations are designed to protect public health and the environment. Washington Authoritative Code 173-433-110. Statewide Opacity Standard. A person must not cause or allow emission of smoke plume from any solid fuel burning device to exceed an average of 20% opacity for 6 consecutive minutes of any 1 hour period. The local authority must not adopt or enforce an opacity level for solid fuel burning devices that is more stringent than the state standard. Enforcement. Smoke visible from a chimney, flue, or exhaust duct in excess of the opacity standard constitutes prima facie evidence of unlawful operation of an applicable solid fuel burning device. This presumption may be refuted by demonstration that the smoke was not caused by an applicable solid fuel burning device. The provisions of this requirement shall A. be enforceable on a compliant basis, B. not applied during the startup of a new fire for a period not to exceed 20 minutes in any 4-hour period. Education. Any person or retailer providing information on the operation of a solid fuel burning device, such as brochures, demonstrations, and public education programs, shall include information that opacity levels of 10% or less are obtainable through proper operation. Smokeless Chimney, www.smokelesschimney.com, Facebook, Reddit, and YouTube.